In this tutorial, you will learn how to create and manage your teaching schedule. First, open the Classes page. At the top of the page, you will see your teacher schedule. Before creating your teaching schedule, make sure you have created at least one class. If you do not have any classes yet, you will not be able to assign lessons to your schedule. If needed, please watch our previous tutorial about creating your first class. To start editing your schedule, click the Edit Schedule button. Your schedule will switch to edit mode. Here, you will notice two different types of schedule entries. The first type is Duty. Duty sections are free text fields. You can type anything you want. For example, you can enter morning duty, homeroom, meeting, or any other reminder. The second type is Teaching Periods. For each teaching period, select one of your existing classes from the drop-down list. For example, on Monday, Period 1, you can select Grade 6 Science. Repeat this process until your weekly teaching schedule is complete. If your timetable does not include any duties, you can simply disable the duty sections. When duties are hidden, only your teaching periods will be displayed in the schedule.
While viewing your schedule, you will notice that the current day is automatically highlighted. This makes it easy to identify today's lessons at a glance. If you need to change the lesson times, click the Edit Times button. A new window will open. Here, you can edit the start and end time for each teaching period. When you finish making your changes, click Save Changes. Once your schedule is complete, click the Done button. Your teaching schedule will be saved and displayed in its final format. If you would like a printable version of your timetable, click the Download Calendar button. Edvento will automatically generate a PDF version of your teaching schedule. You can print it or save it for future use. You can also synchronize your teaching schedule with your personal calendar. Click the Add to Calendar button. Choose your preferred calendar service. You can add your schedule to Google Calendar, Apple Calendar, Outlook Calendar, or download it as an ICS file. For example, if you choose Google Calendar will open automatically. Simply click Add, and your teaching schedule will be added to your calendar. Your timetable is now synchronized and ready to use across your devices. Thank you for watching.